There has been a mill on the site since around 1542, with the current building being built in the 1700s. The steam chimney, which dominates the building's shape, was added in the 1850s. Matthew Bolton leased the mill between 1756 and 1761, using it to flatten metal for the creation of beautifully crafted and expensive buttons and belt buckles. This production was later moved to Handsworth, where he built the Soho Manufactory, which created a host of metal products of great quality that are now considered antiques. J.R.R. Tolkien was born in South Africa to British parents and moved back over to England with his mother in the mid-1890s at the age of 3. The contrast in landscape is said to have had a great effect on him, with the area at the time being rural with lots of open space that him and his brother Hilary explored. The boys would often find themselves causing mischief nearby the mill, and were often shouted at by the bad-tempered miller, an inspiration for his character of Ted Sandyman in The Lord of the Rings. The village of Sarehole, the area that surrounded the mill, is thought to be the setting for the home of Bilbo Baggins in The Hobbit.